Hi, I'm here today with Little Hands. We're going to make ourselves some peanut butter cookies. We're going to make two different kind of peanut butter cookies. The one with the chocolate kisses in it, and just regular peanut butter cookies. Okay, the first step what we have is 2 cups of peanut butter. And to that we're going to add a stick and a half of butter. You want to add that in, Little Hands? You take that little spatula. Best you can, quickly as possible. Make sure you get it all, scrape it all in there good. Okay, very good. And to that we're going to add some sugar to it. So we're going to grab the white sugar, and that is a cup of white sugar. I'm going to toss that in slowly, very slowly with all the ingredients. And we're going to toss a cup of brown sugar in. Very carefully. Okay, we're going to mix these together with the mixer. Like a medium speed. Get that all mixed in well and incorporate it. Then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sprinkle it around. A teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to mix that in. And make sure you get the sides good, so you want to scrape them down. And then we're going to add in half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, slowly. And we're going to mix that in. Then we're going to add in a teaspoon of sea salt. We'll sprinkle that all in. And we're going to scrape down the sides. Continue mixing. Then we're going to slowly add in some flour. I'll use this little cup here, a little bit at a time. That would be like 2.5 cups of flour. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of milk to this because it's getting kind of a little thick. And just blend all that in good. And we'll just make sure that's all blended in well. Off the sides, and we'll go back in there with the mixer and mix it a little more. It's fun making cookies, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fun.
All right, I think we're almost there. I think we could start forming these cookies. All right, let me clean up this and get some baking sheets. Okay, we're ready to make the cookies. What I got here is a 1/3 of a cup of white sugar and 1/3 cup of a brown sugar. What we can do is form these into some balls. And what we're gonna do is roll it in a ball. And then we're We're gonna coat it in the sugar mixture. And place it on a pan. Like that. And what we could do with these is lightly flat them this way with the fork. Then go this way and make a pattern. Almost like a hashtag. And that's good. And then the second one we're just gonna leave as balls. Just peanut butter balls. And we're gonna put some chocolate kisses in there when they're done. So I like to coat them with a little sugar. And we'll spread them out. And we'll continue making them. All right, little hands, you wanna give it a shot? You just stand right here. Scoop it in good. That's good. And just roll it in your hand. Make a ball, like a little snowball. And you could dip it in here. Which make your little beet ball, it looks like, huh? And spread them out about right there, because they're gonna get flattened when we put a piece of chocolate on there. So we'll go like a roll of 3. And we'll do the same thing. You want to make another one, and we'll do the fork pattern. And we'll like put it about right here. And you want to get the fork and lightly press one way, then lightly press the other way. And press down to make it a little flatter. There you go. You don't want to go over it again because it won't look that great. All right, we'll keep making these. And then we'll be back. Meanwhile, we'll set our oven to 375. And we'll be back. Okay, we got 2 sets of cookies. We're gonna put this in a 375-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Okay, these are done. We're gonna take these out and put the next batch in. And we're gonna leave these in there for 10 minutes. Leave them in the ball shape. Then we'll put the chocolate kisses in them as they're still warm. Meanwhile, when these cool down, we're gonna transfer them on a cooling rack. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. These are done. We're gonna take them out carefully. And what we're gonna do is put some chocolate kisses in them. Carefully in the middle. And you got yourself some nice little treat there. You just don't gotta have it in the holidays. You can have it in the summertime or whenever. But we're gonna finish these off and we'll show you at the end. Okay, we're finally done making the cookies. I gotta tell you, some cookies were harmed during the making of that, but they were eaten. All right, little hands. How was making cookies today?
It was fun.
Would you like to try one?
Yes. Some milk.
I'm gonna try one too. What do you think?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Oh my God. There you have it. Not only for the holidays, you could have it in the summertime or whenever. But whoa, just don't eat too many. Keep it moving, keep it flowing, keep it flowing, keep it moving. Until next time, this is Cooking with Big Pat Man.